Oh, hello, Blue Jay.
Oh, hello. Oh, my goodness.
Wow, what's all this? Welcome to 7 Pot Club. I'm Rob.
I grow hot peppers.
Today, I'm going to taste 3 varieties of hot sauces from Panama. I've been looking at these longingly ever since they arrived a few weeks ago, and my mouth is watering now that I'm finally ready to give them a try. If I look a little orange today, it's not because the color balance is off in the camera. It's quite hot, and I'm sitting under a big orange umbrella. Today's shout out is to Rachel, requested by her boyfriend Kevin, both 7 Pot Club fans from Northern Virginia. Rachel looks like an excellent cook. I don't even eat meat, and that bird looks delicious. Now, let's get started. Last year, I tried some small batch sauces made by my Panamanian friend Hugo Vera. Today, I'm going to try 3 variations of a commercial hot sauce from Panama. These sauces are made by Dialitas with the Aji Chombo Habanero. We have green, red, and orange. The green and red are called pure pulp. They are mostly habaneros with just a few other ingredients. The orange is the original recipe Dialitas sauce with mustard. I love mustard-based sauces, so I'm really excited to try this one. Here's my Aji Chombo. Like many of my plants, this one had a rocky introduction to the outdoors, but I hope it has a growth spurt soon so that I can enjoy some fresh Aji Chombos later this summer. It's still June, so I'm hopeful. These sauces were kindly sent to me by Crystal. She included this note. This sauce is probably the most culturally significant in the country, and the recipe itself dates back over 100 years. Growing up, we always had multiple bottles in the fridge, and the original orange sauce will always be my favorite. Thanks, Crystal. Today, I'm going to find out if these sauces taste good dolloped on my old standby Carr's Table Water crackers. These crackers are a bland, virtually tasteless canvas for any flavor. They've been baked in England since 1831, but hopefully these are from a more recent batch. I'm going to prepare 3 crackers, each with a glob of one of the sauces, so that I can taste them in relatively quick succession while the tastes are fresh in my mouth and mind. Here's the orange. Now the green. Shake, 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 shake. And now the red. First, I'm going to try the green and red pure pulp sauces. Here are the ingredients on the green bottle. Selected habanero green pepper, water, vinegar, sugar, salt, cornstarch modified, spice, 0.1% sodium benzoate, xanthan gum, yellow number 5, and blue number 1 FD&C. Some of my favorite Mexican sauces also contain food coloring. I guess they really want to maintain a consistent color between batches. Let's give it a try. Really tastes like a green habanero. It's got that unripe, chlorophyll-rich flavor. I can tell that they did add a little bit of sugar to it to take away some of that unripe flavor, but it still comes through. And if you like a green sauce, I think you'll really like this. It really tastes like peppers, and I think that's what they were going for. Now, I'll taste the red. The ingredient list is very similar. Selected red habanero pepper, vinegar, water, salt, xanthan gum, 0.1% sodium benzoate, cornstarch modified, FD&C red number 40, and caramel color. The main differences I notice, other than the colors, are the deletion of sugar and spice. And hopefully not everything nice. They must feel that the red peppers are more flavorful and don't need the extra kick. Let's see. Rich, fruity tasting. I'd say this is definitely hotter than the first sauce. These sauces don't say anything about fermentation, but I definitely think this is a fermented sauce. Really, it tastes like peppers. It's, you know, it's kind of like a 7-pot paste made with Aji Chombo peppers and just a fraction of the heat, but really, it's just like putting peppers on your food. I highly recommend it. Finally, time to try the Dialitas original recipe, the Aji Chombo Authentic Panamanian Hot Sauce. Here are the ingredients: selected Chombo pepper, mustard, vinegar, water, salt, onion, xanthan gum, 0.1% sodium benzoate, FD&C red number 40. Wow. What a combo of heat and tang. Not like Tang the orange breakfast drink, but tang as in tangy. Wow, and you think that these two seem to be more pepper-based, but this one is definitely hotter. It's so good. The world needs more mustard-based sauce. I know this will be great on empanadas and tacos, but I can't wait to try it on our American favorites like Beyond Burgers, Smart Dogs, and fries. Thanks again to Crystal for sending us these sauces. The original orange sauce is available on Amazon, and all 3 varieties can be purchased on www.delitususa.com. If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell to receive a notification each time we post a new episode. Check out all our 7-Pot Club and hot pepper related merch at 7pot.club/merch. And for even more 7-Pot Club, follow our daily exploits on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. For 7-Pot Club, I'm Rob. This original orange sauce is so good, I've just gotta have another taste. 2 thumbs up on this one.